Happy Saturday to everyone, or Sunday, whichever day it is, wherever you are in the world. Catch this video. And this is Mr. Christopher. Hi, Christopher. Yes, Christopher likes to play with the dead grass. He has a lot of fun doing it. We had a lot of rain here where I live. Some parts of my city right now is underwater. We had over 4 inches of rain so far that's been dropped. And maybe more coming, I'm not sure. But I figure before the next batch of rain comes in, I'll do a quick pre-record. Little man, he likes this grass. He likes to play with it. As you can see, he likes to play with it. He's fascinated with it. He loves it. Hi, Bubba. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. So, if you wish to subscribe, you're always welcome to subscribe. I ask that you at least leave nice, pleasant comments in the comment section. It's greatly appreciated. If you wish to share this out, you can. It will be titled Saturday Night Fever, South Georgia, #CatChristopher. I ask that you keep Raven in your thoughts and your prayers with positivity, love, and support, please. It means a lot to me. She's a big support to my channel, and she's also a very good friend off of YouTube. What you doing? What you doing there, boy? Christopher, what you eating? Are you cleaning yourself? Are you cleaning yourself? So, anyways, I hope everyone has his tail's wet. He's been out in the rain. He's probably been in the grass. The grass is wet, very wet. Hi, Bubby. You playing with your grass? You playing with your grass? You playing with your grass? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with your grass? Huh? Christopher is about a little over 6 weeks now. Hey, Christopher. Yes. Yeah, he likes this grass. Yeah. So, I'm gonna end this. And again, like I asked, please keep Raven in your thoughts and your prayers. Send her positivity and lots of love and support. I really appreciate that. I know she does as well. So I hope everyone has a great rest of your Saturday night, Sunday morning, wherever you're located. And I will see everyone tomorrow. Because sounds like we're getting more rain coming. And there's Christopher's mama cat down there. And there he goes to mommy. And just let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. Oh, look at that. Christopher's with mama. He's going to be jumping on her in a minute. Mom and son bonding. Okay.